Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best Ts9 antenna is probably one of the most sought-after accessories for enhancing your mobile internet experience, especially if you're looking to boost signal strength for your 4G per LTE or 5G devices. Whether you're in a remote area with weak reception or simply want to ensure a stable connection for streaming, gaming, or critical work, a high-quality Ts9 antenna can make a significant difference. This video dives deep into what makes a Ts9 antenna stand out, helping you navigate the options to find the perfect one that meets your specific connectivity needs and budget. Number 5. Netgear 3G 4G 5G Omnidirectional MIMO Antenna. Experience significantly improved mobile broadband performance, whether you're indoors or in areas with weak signal strength. This portable antenna is designed to enhance your connectivity wherever you are. It covers a broad range of frequencies, from 700 MHz to 2600 MHz, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance across various mobile networks. This wide band spectrum makes it incredibly versatile. This device is built for flexibility, offering reliable performance whether used inside your home or out in the elements. Its robust design makes it suitable for any environment. Struggling with weak 3G or 4G signals? This antenna is the perfect solution to boost performance in those challenging locations. Enjoy a more stable and faster connection. It's designed to work seamlessly with popular Netgear mobile hotspot and router models. Ensure optimal performance by pairing it with compatible devices for a superior internet experience. What we like. This antenna is designed for improving mobile broadband performance, especially in areas with weak 3G or 4G signals. If you frequently find yourself in fringe zones or need a reliable connection indoors, this is a great portable option. It covers a wide spectrum, making it versatile for various network conditions. What people say. The antenna cable is of good quality with excellent Ts9 push-on connectors. Most aftermarket Ts9 connectors can be a little stiff to connect to the hotspots. What I have seen on average is about 4 to 10 dBm improvement in RSRP depending on the frequency band the hotspot is attached to. For example, on T-Mobile my area has band 2, 4 and 12. On band 2 there is a 6 to 8 dBm improvement. Band 4 about 4 to 6 dBm and band 12 about 8 to 10 dBm improvement, but the big improvement was on data speeds. Once positioned, this antenna exceeds expectation. The signal strength went from -101 dBm to -78 dBm. Mobile service is measured in a way that the less negative the reception is, i.e. smaller negative number, means that you have better reception. So, semantics aside, -78 dBm is stronger reception than -101 dBm. However, the scale is not directly linear. For every 3 dBm increase, the smaller the negative number closer to 0, the signal strength doubles. Number 4. Tupavco TP562 2x29D by X-POL MIMO Antenna. Experience enhanced data capacity and improved signal strength with our advanced MIMO technology. This antenna uses multiple cross-polarized signals within a single unit to boost your wireless performance. Get more out of your connection with focused directional signals. This design concentrates multiple signals into one direction, resulting in greater gain and a more robust connection. Ideal for remote locations, this device significantly improves signal strength and data speeds where cellular coverage is typically weak. Stay connected, even in challenging environments. Designed for direct wired connection, it easily integrates with your cellular data devices. It features 2 antenna connectors for a reliable and stable link. Its adjustable and compact design makes installation flexible and efficient. Mount it easily on a pole mast with the included hardware, saving you valuable space. This antenna is perfect for Wi-Fi, 4G LTE, and cellular hotspot applications. Enjoy reliable performance across various wireless needs. What we like. Leveraging MIMO technology, this antenna focuses multiple signals in one direction for enhanced gain and improved signal strength. If you're looking to boost data capacity and achieve better speeds in remote locations with poor cellular coverage, this is the solution. Its adjustable and compact design also makes installation convenient. What people say. My rural N41 signal speeds increased 150 to 350 megabits per second to 500 to 700 megabits per second, upload 10 megabits per second to 50 megabits per second, latency more consistent. With antenna, my signal 5G SINR increased slightly 22 greater than 28, but my RSRP increased by good amount from -92 to -82, 4 to 5 bars, on the 5G. I did not want to turn my home into a radio tower, so the built-in 6-foot slim white cables on this unit were a bonus that allowed me to get connection out of weather to smaller pigtails extending through wall to my network plus ups. Given this is not as directional as Yagi antennas, I attached the low-profile flush mount wall bracket in the general direction of tower on first floor wall. This produced cleaner installation than I could have achieved with competing pole mount products needing direct alignment. Number 3. Maswell Cellular Antenna 700 to 6000 MHz. This device covers a broad frequency range from 700 to 6000 MHz. It's perfect for receiving signals from various wireless devices, including 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G, and Wi-Fi 6. Installation is versatile with 2 mounting options. You can use the included M12 screw and nut for a secure fit, or the 3M adhesive for a permanent outdoor setup. It's designed for a wide array of industrial, commercial, and IoT applications. This includes hotspots, kiosks, vending machines, point-of-sale systems, and video surveillance. With an IP67 waterproof rating, this antenna is built to withstand the elements. It's ideal for outdoor use in various environments, ensuring reliable performance. This model offers moderate gain performance, around 3 dB, making it suitable for areas with good existing coverage. It's not designed for high gain or signal boosting needs. This is a high-performance external antenna designed for outdoor IoT applications. Remember to enable the external antenna mode for optimal functionality. What we like. With both screw and adhesive mounting options, this antenna offers flexible and permanent outdoor installations. Its IP67 waterproof rating ensures durability in various environments, making it ideal for industrial, commercial, and IoT applications. If you need a robust, low-profile antenna for outdoor equipment like hotspots, kiosks, or surveillance cameras, this is a solid choice. What people say. This antenna has a fantastic signal pickup and I have had 0 issues from the cell tower to the modem using this antenna. It comes with 3 meters of LMR195 equivalent low-loss cable and has RPSMA and Ts9 adapters for the cable's SMA male interface, and as a bonus it is IP67 waterproof, which is perfect to get the best signal available away from the limits of walls in our house. After connecting the 5G antenna, and, important, remembering to turn on the external antenna mode on the router, I received a much better signal, and have included my before and after images using a speed app on my PC, showing some great results from the same SIM card network provider. Number 2. SIGNALPLUS Parabolic Antennas Kit. Experience a dramatic boost in your Wi-Fi and cellular signals with our advanced parabolic antenna kit. Designed for exceptional performance, it's engineered to bring you reliable connectivity wherever you are. Boasting a remarkable 30 dB gain, this antenna is your ultimate solution for weak signals. If it can't improve your connection, likely no other antenna can, making it perfect for both urban and remote areas. This versatile 2x2 MIMO antenna supports a wide frequency range, ensuring compatibility with all your devices. It works seamlessly with routers, modems, signal boosters, and hotspots from major brands. Enjoy seamless connectivity across all carriers and countries. It supports all major bands, including 5G, 4G LTE, and more, ensuring you stay connected no matter your location or provider. Everything you need is included in this comprehensive kit. With simple plug-and-play installation, you'll be up and running in no time, no complex setup required. As a directional antenna, proper alignment is key. Aim it precisely towards cell towers, ensuring optimal height and location for the best possible performance. What we like. Boasting an exceptionally high gain, this parabolic antenna kit is designed for maximum signal enhancement, suitable for areas with virtually no signal. If you are in a remote location with no Wi-Fi or mobile phone signals and need the strongest possible connection, this directional antenna is your best bet. Remember, precise aiming towards cell towers is crucial for its optimal performance. What people say. It worked perfectly well with the existing cellular plan when connected to a 5G MiFi also from Amazon. Together they enabled higher than 250 MB download speed. Together they enabled higher than 250 MB download speed. Number 1. Eifagur 4G LTE SMA Ts9 Antenna for Netgear Nighthawk. Experience a stronger, more reliable connection with this advanced antenna. It's designed to significantly improve your mobile hotspot's performance. This device works seamlessly with a wide range of popular hotspots, including Netgear Nighthawk models and Verizon Jetpack devices. It supports major carriers like AT&T, T-Mobile, and Verizon. Featuring a 5 dB gain and omnidirectional coverage across multiple frequency bands, it ensures you get the best possible signal reception wherever you are. Built to withstand the elements, this antenna boasts an IP67 waterproof rating. It's a robust solution for any environment. Setting it up is a breeze with the included wall mount bracket and adapter cable. You'll be up and running in no time. The package includes everything you need: the antenna, a mounting bracket, screws, and a versatile adapter cable. Get ready for a superior connection. We stand behind our product with careful quality checks and responsive customer support. Contact us with any questions for a prompt reply. What we like. This antenna provides an omnidirectional signal reception with a 5 dB gain, making it a versatile choice for various devices. If you're looking for a waterproof and compact antenna that's compatible with a wide range of hotspots and routers from major carriers, this is a practical option. It's great for general signal improvement in diverse mobile broadband scenarios. What people say. I put this antenna on a remote camera and it did improve the signal. I experienced stronger signal and increased upload and download speed. With the antenna I was averaging 11.754.8. I didn't notice any difference in the number of bars, but I'm satisfied with the gains that this antenna provides. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.